Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes and of Bubble Babes University. Today's video, we are making foaming whipped sugar scrubs. This weekend on the 22nd and on the 23rd, I will be hosting a free hands-on sugar scrub class. Saturday night will be from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on Sunday, it'll be from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I ask that everybody have all their ingredients and supplies. We will troubleshoot your recipes in real time. I'm going to actually show you how I tweak my recipe. So if you would like to join me, all the information will be down below in the description box. Tickets are limited. It first come, first serve. So grab your tickets immediately. Do not wait. You know what to do when you like a video. Like, comment, subscribe, put your notifications on, and share this video and tell all your friends about it.